Hello everybody, Dr. Sean Medlin here. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the most important things, and that's prioritizing your own health. We have a phrase that we are sticking with in this video. It's called health is wealth. When we rearrange our paradigm and our priorities, and all of a sudden we start prioritizing our own health and vitality, that ties into our relationships and our experience and our community and all this other kind of stuff, and we become 10 times better for it. So the paradigm shift that we're talking about is the typical paradigm is, especially with health, is if I have symptoms, I'm not healthy, and if I don't have symptoms, then I'm healthy, right? It's all symptom based. But the actual definition for health is mental, physical, and social well-being, right? Not merely the absence of disease, not merely the absence of symptoms. So that's really important because this approach is proactive.